I'm a tech fan, but I'm not a fan of housework. So any tech that makes housework even more effortless is the perfect solution for someone like me, and quite possibly for someone like you too. And this bit of tech right here, the Narwal S10 Pro, could be the perfect solution. It is a vacuum mop hybrid designed specifically for hard floor and wood surfaces. Although it's slim and modern and has a very elegant design, make no mistake, this is a heavy duty cleaning machine with some incredible features designed to make your life easier. And before I show you what those incredible features are, let's run through some of the need to know specs first. Narwal has equipped the S10 Pro with its own modern take on a roller. When cleaning, this roller spins 600 times per second, that's 600 RPM, and it has teeth built into the roller to cut through hair and string to prevent it from wrapping around the brush, which is definitely a common problem with a lot of vacuums and roller mops. And it has 14,000 pascals of suction power, perfect for picking up debris off your hard surfaces and also from between crevices in your wood floor surfaces if there happen to be any. The mop roller also has some serious power. It can apply 17 newtons of downward force, and that's around 30% more downward force than traditional cordless mops. And what's really fantastic about the design on the Narwal is the dirty water and dust tank are separated within its design, which means when you're done cleaning, you don't end up with a kind of dirt soup, which is gross. All right, now it's time to test out how good the suction power is on the S10 Pro. First up, we have rice grains, then we have sugar, and then we have some bulgur wheat. So let's see how good a job it does at getting this up and also getting it out of the gap in the wood.
Suction.
Okay, on the first pass, just using the regular suction mode, it's done a fantastic job. All of the debris has been collected, and even between the gaps, I'm not seeing anything left behind, which is fantastic. And as you can see here in the dustbin, it's collected all of that debris separate from the water at the base. All right, so this next bit should be a bit more challenging. So we have milk, we have very English Worcester sauce here. I wanted to use soy sauce, but I didn't have any. And then we have some tomato ketchup. Let's see how it does with the mopping and with the auto mode.
Auto mode. Electrolyzed water sterilization activated.
Alright, so this is the results after the liquid cleanup, and as you can see, it's completely gone, all of it's gone. And when we come to the actual Narwal, you'll see all of the liquid used and the dirty water is right there. And as you can see, yeah, that's pretty nasty. But the good news is it is separate from the dust and debris. So when it comes to cleaning, we don't have this kind of thick paste inside the water tank. The overall weight is 4.3 kilograms, but because most of that weight is at the base of the Narwal S10 Pro, the actual perceived weight when using it is less than 1 kilogram. One of the standout features here is the maneuverability. It can adjust all the way left and all the way right at a 63-degree angle. And there is a fifth mode, which I almost forgot to mention. It is the low angle cleaning mode. Check this out.
Adjusting suction power automatically.
And something that's fantastic about the design on the Narwal S10 is how close you can get to things. For example, when you're hoovering up next to walls or furniture, it will leave just a 6mm gap. And something that definitely caught my eye is the LED display up top, which has some beautiful animations on it, but it also lets you know what's happening at all times, and also when you hit a spot that needs extra cleaning. And here you can also toggle between the different modes that it has. There's the light mode. This is ideal for cleaning whilst people are sleeping, or when you don't want to disturb, I don't know, a baby or something like that. Then there's the vacuum only mode, self-explanatory. And then the auto mode, where the S10 will automatically decide the best mode to use so that you can put in minimum effort but still get maximum results. And then there's my favorite mode, the turbo mode.
And if you hold your finger down on the touchscreen, you can enable enhancement mode for extra power. Of course, this comes at the cost of some battery.
And if you're wondering about the runtime on the S10 Pro, it can run for 50 minutes continuously. And Narwal say that 50 minutes will allow you to cover up to 3,000 square feet. And here is the biggest game changer. When you're done cleaning, my guess is the last thing you want to do is more cleaning. Well, with the Narwal S10 Pro, you don't have to worry about that. It does all the work for you. It uses a clever water flow system to get the mop head cleaned and disinfected thoroughly, and it will even scrub the mop roller for you and dry it with a 50-degree hot air flow so it doesn't develop a damp smell when not in use, and that also helps to reduce the bacteria buildup on the mop. So the reality is this, the Narwal S10 Pro is cleaner, more efficient, more stylish, and just generally better looking than a classic vacuum or bucket and mop. With the S10 Pro, you don't have to break your back mopping and sweeping your floors. It's all done in one go. And because it's so light and easy to use, it really does make hard housework look easy. And one of the big game changers with this mop is when you're cleaning your house, even when your eyes can't see the dirt on the floor, the Narwal S10 Pro can detect it, and it will show you on the screen if there's areas that need extra cleaning. They call this the Smart Dirt Detect feature, and this is thanks to its smart dirt detection sensors and software. And getting rid of the dirty water and dust is super easy to do. You just eject the collection tank, empty the dirty water down the drain, and then you can get rid of the dust and debris into a separate bin bag. Now listen, if handheld mopping and cleaning seems like a bit too much effort, Narwal do have another solution for you. It is one of the best robot vacuum mops out there today. It doesn't tangle up with hair, it cleans its own brushes, it targets your dirty floors using AI. It's a fantastic machine and I use it all the time. If you guys want to check that one out, that thumbnail's on the screen right now.
And if you guys want to pick up the Narwal S10 Pro, I've managed to get an exclusive discount for you guys. It is time sensitive, but you could potentially save up to $90 on one of these. The details for that are on screen right now. I appreciate you guys for watching this one. I'll see you in the next one. Don't be late.